Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn on and off screen share protection. As you all know, maybe you're trying to record a video and you are trying to sign in or log in where it requires your personal information. You know, there's a way our screen prevents the camera to actually capture that, to record that, sorry. So I'm going to show you how to turn that off if you really need to pass a message and you want your audience to see the particular information. So first thing, you have to open up your phone settings. Open your phone settings like this and scroll down. If you don't see developers option, which is the last option here, let me show you how to do that. In order to get that, all you need to do is click on about phone and click on software information and click on, you're going to tap on build number 7 times. Once you click on it 7 times, that developer option is going to show, and that is where you are going to do the magic. So I'm going to click on my developer option and scroll down until you see this blue reset notification importance. Before it, you can see turn off screen share protection. So all you need to do is turn it off or turn it on, anyone, whichever way you want. So once you've done this, you can now, after you have finished everything you have done, you still go back and click on software information and click on number 7 times, and it's going to be deactivated again. So this is actually how to do this, which is very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more Apple tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.